Hello children, here we are back with our maths lesson. Topic measurement. A length. Let's understand what length is and how to measure it. The word length is used to measure how long an object is. Example, length of a blackboard, length of a pencil. Length, it is also used to measure distance from your home to your school or distance between two cities or countries. Measuring length. We can use the hand span, the foot span or the cubit to measure smaller length. Now what do you mean by a hand span? It is the distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger on an outstretched hand. Footspan. Footspan is the distance from the tip of the toe to the heel of the foot. Measure bit cubit means a length from the elbow to the fingers. Now, example, if you want to measure the length of your maths textbook with your hand span and then that of your mother, you try to measure. It will differ because our hand size differ. It is not uniform. So, to get uniformity, we have to follow measurements. And what are measurements? Yes, to get uniformity, we use a scale, a ruler, which is in centimeters and meters, so that we get uniformity of a particular measurement. Centimeters and meters are the units to measure. Weight. Which object is light? A balloon or a key? Yes, as you know, the balloon will be lighter than the bunch of keys. Which object is heavier? A peacock's feather or a baseball or a football? Definitely the baseball. Now, before I explain to you what is weight, let us see what these two foxes have to say. One night, Chintu and Bittu, the two foxes, were passing by a jaggery factory. They saw a lump of jaggery there and were thrilled. I love jaggery. I will make this share. The other fox said, now I am older, I will divide it well. Bhalu the bear was watching them quarrel. He went to help them. Don't fight, you two. I will share out the jaggery fairly for you. The foxes asked. How? Yes, Bhalu the bear brought something to help them. And what did Bhalu bring to make equal shares? Yes. What does a greengrocer uses to weigh vegetables? The weighing scale. Yes. So he bought a weighing scale. We know that we need a standard unit to measure weight, and so we use the weighing scale. Grams and kilograms are used to measure weight. I repeat, grams and kilograms are used to measure weight. It's a standard unit of weight. Now look at the different weighing scale. This is a simple balance. We use a simple balance to compare weight of two objects. It is similar to what we see while buying vegetables, fruits, an electronic balance. This is the latest technology which we see in shops. So, as I told you earlier, to have uniformity, we need to measure distances. Similarly, to have uniformity, we similarly we need a unit to measure weight, that is gram and kilogram. Now, let us learn about capacity. I have a bottle filled with water and an empty jar or a mug. When we pour the water in the jar, the water will overflow and fall out of the glass. Hence, we can say the capacity of the water in the bottle is more than that of a glass. Yes, that is, the bottle can hold more water than the glass. And the amount of water a container can hold is called its capacity. Yes. Now look at the different container. Let us try to find out which has more capacity. And remember, we measure capacity of a container in liters or milliliters. Now look at the shape. Yes, we can say the glass has more capacity than that of the bowl. Let us look at another example. A bucket and a tumbler. We say, looking at the shape and the size, we can say the bucket is bigger than the tumbler. Hence, can you tell me? Yes, we say that the bucket has more capacity than that of the tumbler. This is a chatty when in mama cooks food or boils water, and the other one is the mug, a cup. So, looking at the shape and the size, we can say that the chatty is bigger than the mug. So, the capacity of the water will be more in the chatty than in the mug. Now, if you open your textbook to page number 63, you will see that these four various shapes that you can see here, okay, these are your kitchen utensils. Use a small bowl and check out the amount of water each container can hold. That is the mug, the glass, the cup and the big chatty. You will find that all will contain different amount of water, that is the capacity. Hope you understood the topic about measurement, that is, as told earlier, length, weight and capacity. Thank you.